welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Today we're going to be testing out another Saviland kit that I got on Amazon. I'm really excited to be trying this one out for you all. This one is the pink CATEYE Polygel kit. So it comes with your standard dual forms, a couple of nail forms. It comes with an instruction manual and like the different kits that they sell. I think it's really cool, like if you're a beginner, like it has just simple instructions on how to do it, especially with dual forms. Dual forms are actually really good for beginners, so don't get mad at those. It comes with a magnet. It comes with 7 different colors. It comes with some slip solution. Shout out to them for continuously adding these to these kits, because it'd be hard out here with no alcohol still. Then it comes with a diamond top coat. Others, I was just like standard top coat, so I wonder if this one's any different. A base coat, your dual-ended brush with the brush on one side, and I noticed the spatula is bigger, so cool. It also comes with a 100/180 file. So I'm just gonna take out all of my colors, and then I'm gonna do a nice swatch for all of you. Alright, let's get right into it. First, we're gonna test Silvery, and Silvery is one of the ones that are used with the magnets, so that was the swatch for that one. This one, I don't know why it wasn't in the frame, but that one was number 11. Wine Red, which came out like this. Then we have Highlight White. This one was so pretty, like this gave me Cinderella vibes. Glitter Red, which was in one of my previous kits. This is a swatch for that one. Then we're gonna go in with Glitter Pink, and it's just a little lighter than Glitter Red. I love how beautiful and pigmented these are. Then the Acro Gel, number 7, and this one's clear. And these are just the swatches side by side, so I'm really excited. I decided to do the deep wine red that we swatched, so I just went ahead, prepped all my nails. Then I applied some base coat and I cured that for 60 seconds. I went in with my wine red, and I have never used a color like this, so I'm really excited to use it. I do suggest that you use slip solution. This consistency was a little stickier. Nonetheless, it's not that hard to deal with as long as you are just patting. If you're putting your brush through it, it's gonna get stuck. And also, I noticed the more you keep your brush clean, the better and easier it is to work with. So I just went in, did a nice big bead to fill up all of my nail, and then I just patted it down. I was not trying to get my brush in there. I just was lightly patting everything down. Then I went in with my magnet, and the magnet's basically supposed to like bring all the glitter to the surface and just like put it in the direction that you wanted. And I thought it was so cool. It was like a little magic trick. So it took a little bit. You just need to do like 30 seconds, and then you cure that for, I did 90 seconds because I wanted it to be fully cured. I went in to do the same thing with my index finger and my middle finger, and I will come back for the rest. absolutely loving how these are coming out. Like I said, I've never used wine red before, so I'm really excited about that. I mixed these two colors together. So I did 13 and glitter pink, and I intended to do kind of like a marble look, which came out absolutely beautiful. Like, I was obsessed with it. Like, I'm gonna do it again soon. But I just mixed those two together and they came out so pretty. You basically just like intertwine it with each other. Don't like brush it together because you don't want it to like change the color. You kind of just want to pat it where you want it to be and not necessarily like, you know, move it around. I really enjoyed doing this marble look, especially with these two colors, because it was a mix of like sticky polygel with a more stiffer polygel. So it was really good. I liked it. Let me know what y'all are thinking so far of these nails. After I was finished with this one, I cured it for about 60 seconds, and then I went in with the glitter pink on my pinky, since my pinky was a stiletto compared to the others that were more coffin. So I just wanted that nice contrast, you know? So I really love the way they all came out. This Saviland CATEYE Polygel kit is super affordable, so it will be in the description down below, and you can do so many different looks with just one kit, which is what I love about it. So make sure you go down in my description and make sure you let me know also what your thoughts are in future videos. I did end up buffing, shaping, and filing my nails off camera. Sometimes it's just like boring to watch, so I just prefer to leave it out. I put on my top coat and I wanted to go in with some bling, so I grabbed some bling that I got from Amazon and just started doing different placements that I thought would look really good. And then after that, I just put top coat on the rest of my nails and cured that for 60 seconds. This is the end of the video. Make sure you top everything off with some cuticle oil. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my Saviland CATEYE Polygel video. And as always, comment, share, and subscribe. Y nos vemos en la próxima.